Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, that is. I picked up a few more items of Halloween. I needed something orange for my Halloween tree. I am putting up some Halloween trees in my front yard, so I needed some orange something, so I had to stop by Dollar Tree. While I was there, I found these bones. Look at this. These are plastic bones and they're quite long. Look at that. They are 15 inches. Yeah, more like 15 and a half inches long. See? Quite long, right? Look at this. They're just plain white. Now, if you want it to glow, you will have to paint it. But I've only picked up 3. They didn't have very many in stock, so I left some for the next customer. And then, while I was there, I found my something orange. I picked up some spiders. They had this size in, and you get 2 pieces in a bag. And these are like, looks to be about 5 inches long that way, and then quite wide. It's about almost 6 inches across. I picked up 2 bags of these. I like those orange sparkly spiders. And then they also had this one in stock. I did not see this before, so I'm quite happy I found these. Look how huge this is. So this one is about 9 inches across. Wow, that's quite a big spider. And about 6.5 this way. Look at this. It's going to look excellent on my Halloween tree. I'm quite happy with it. I did pick up 4 of these large spiders. I don't really have a big haul today, but I did pick up some cute stuff. I mainly went to get my orange something for my trees, and the rest of the stuff that I picked up was just a bonus. Look at this. I needed more of these beehive cages, but I only found 1. Aren't they adorable? So I will be doing a little hunting tomorrow, see if I can find some more. I have an idea in mind for these. I will share with you. So I have that. And then I did a few repurchases. I picked up another one of these ladies' tights. I picked up the large netting and the small netting. Hopefully you saw that haul, but I showed you, kind of what it would look like if you were to wear it. But yeah, I got those. And then while I was picking those up, I decided I need some more creepy cloth. I picked up 1 each. I picked up the black one and the white one. This is the black one and the white one. And these are 30 by 72 inches long. So, nothing too exciting there, but I need that for my outside decoration. Oh, and look what I found while I was at Dollar Tree. Are these cute little vases? Look at this. Adorable. So these are about 4 inches and they are about 3 inches high, but they're so cute. I found it in the gray, or maybe it's called black, and I found it in the orange. They also have a clear one if you need a clear one. I thought this goes really well with my color theme this year. I have finally decided I want to do orange and black outside. So look at this. Awesome. I mean, these are not going outside. They will stay inside. But I was thinking how cute it will look to do like a little arrangement in there, right? And then I'm going to take the twine off and put some Halloween ribbon on there. It'll look awesome. Well, spooky cute. Let's see. And then, the last items I picked up today are these. They're coffins. Well, they're containers, and it's meant for treats, but I was thinking of another project, and I will share that one with you also. It's said that it's, I don't know, gray, but then it has that holographic, iridescent sheen to it. They only had two, so I went ahead and picked up two. I know it comes in a clear color too, but my store, they didn't have it. But look at this, how weird, right? This one is more blue, like a bluish tint, and then this one has the more reddish tint. How awesome! I'm glad. I didn't even realize. But if you turn it this way, they look the same colors. Blue on the bottom with the green lid, and then on this one is green on the bottom with the blue lid. Let me turn it this way. How weird. I like it. It's got the skeleton impression on the lid itself. Awesome. Quite happy with those. And I'm sad to say, but that's my haul for today for Dollar Tree. Plenty of Halloween items to shop from, so I'm quite happy I was able to run in there and pick up a few more items. So I will do that again very soon, like over this weekend. Now the truck came in, I believe, yesterday, but they haven't brought out the Halloween items, so I do have to go back and see what else I can find. But I'm quite happy. I'm going to go put my spiders on my tree. I hope that you find what you are looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.